Today's video is all about wiper because bridge wiper is grounded and burn motor. The challenging part is during dismantled, as you can see the base is rusted and broken during this disassembled. Okay, this is the wiper that we need to replace. The maker is WYNN, but before this one we cut that wiper. Then this is the two securing Allen key bolt. One, a long one. Then we can open this one. This is a different maker as I installed in the Korea ships. This is the two long bolts, both sides only, so that you can open this front cover. This is the design. This is belt type. Okay, that is the belt that connected to the pulleys. This is new one, and the two securing bolts for this front cover. You can flip over and then you can open, while in other brand you can disconnect all of this one. This is the park sensor, and then park sensor. This is three parts: heater, park sensor, and the motor. Okay, that is only the three parts for this wiper. Okay, that is the heater, park sensor, and then the motor. That is the three parts that only need to familiarize. This is 220 volts. Okay, and then the base, that is the base, 6 volts. This is the mechanism for our window wiper. Okay, before installing you need to move that mechanism so that you can check the belt and its movement. If that mechanism is not stuck. Okay, that one that is connected to the motor. Okay, this base has a 6 securing bolts to its bulkhead. This one is the water supply. This is unique one because there is a water supply for that one. You need to connect the fresh water going to that nozzle. We connect this one, and then that is the fresh water going to that window. That is the nozzle.